They say that champions don't do one thing 100% better, they do 100 things 1% better than their competition. As an example, did you know that most major flooring manufacturers have field tech service departments that exist to make your installations more successful? The very reason that they exist is to keep both your customer happy and you out of trouble. If there is any question as to how a product is to be installed, where it can be installed, or the correct products required to both complete the installation and support the manufacturer's warranties, a quick call by either you or your installer can often prevent a callback. Ignorance is no excuse. Be proactive before quoting a job or commencing with an unsure installation. Remember, when in doubt, find out.